In this short tutorial, I will show you how to remove two-step verification in WhatsApp. Two-step verification adds an extra layer of security to your WhatsApp account by requiring a PIN code when you register your phone number on WhatsApp again. However, if you no longer wish to use this feature, you can easily disable it. To get started, open up the WhatsApp application and then tap Settings. After that, tap Account. Then tap Two-step verification. Now you'll see the option to turn off or remove two-step verification in WhatsApp. So go ahead and tap on it. And then confirm it by tapping Turn Off. Now you've successfully removed two-step verification from WhatsApp. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.